Hello, I'm Martin Smith and this is your UFX Markets Week in Review. Today we'll cover some of the major events of the past week and discuss how they impact the global currency markets. German Chancellor Angela Merkel said she's expecting turbulence in 2012 as she does everything to save the euro and end the sovereign debt crisis in Europe. Merkel will meet with French President Sarkozy on January 9th to discuss revisions for Europe's fiscal regulations. A final agreement on German-French proposals is due by leaders of the Eurozone in March. The euro had a second consecutive annual loss for the first time in 10 years versus the US dollar. Last Friday, the euro was trading at 129.57, a decrease of minus 0.02%. The US dollar decreased for a second year against the Japanese yen, trading at an average of 79.71 yen per US dollar in 2011, one of its weakest years. The US dollar was last seen trading against the Japanese yen at 76.85, a decrease of minus 0.99%. The Canadian dollar averaged 98.92 Canadian cents to the US dollar in 2011, which is its strongest annual value since 1976. This can be attributed to investors seeking out assets that are considered a safe haven from the debt problems in the euro area. The Canadian dollar was last seen trading at 102.10, an increase of 0.12%. The British pound was trading at a 2.5-month low last Thursday against the US dollar after weak demand at an Italian bond auction heightened speculation that the European debt crisis could worsen next year. Some analysts are expecting the British pound to decrease against the US dollar in 2012, as heightening European debt problems could affect the British financial sector. The British pound was last seen trading at 155.21, an increase of 0.69%. In commodities, crude futures are heading for a third yearly advance on signs of an economic recovery in the USA and on the increasing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, which are pushing up the price of oil. The USA is the world's biggest oil consumer. Crude oil was last seen trading at 98.83, a decrease of minus 0.82%. Well, that's all we have time for today. I hope you've enjoyed this week's review and you'll join us next week. Until then, be sure to visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all of your online trading needs. For UFX Markets, I'm Martin Smith. Good luck and happy trading.